actors are athletes. Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you.
that's
and
right.
it is important to train like one if you aspire to work under the bright lights of the Broadway stage.
Yeah, that's right. Joe Rosko is the founder of Broadway's #1 fitness platform built for the stage. And he has trained performers from shows like New York, New York, Some Like It Hot, Hamilton, and Wicked, just to name a few. Only the heavy hitters right here.
Well.
And here he is joining us live this morning to get us in tip-top shape for the stage, just in case we ever get the call for the great right way.
Just in case this actually becomes reality. He's very fit. You look like you cannot float because you have fat on your body.
You know what? I actually am very bad at floating. I'm awful.
Because you have too much muscle. So, inquiring minds want to know, how did this come to be?
Yeah.
That you were like, you know what, you Broadway folks, you need to get put through the paces.
There's 3 phases. So phase 1, I'm 4 years old. I start baseball. My mom buys me a plastic briefcase where I have business meetings.
What?
And I upsell pencils to kids in 2nd grade. That's the business side. And then the 3rd is that my 7th grade girlfriend convinces me to audition for the school play.
Stop it.
So the sports business and theater happen at a very early time. Fast forward, I play college football. I major in musical theater and get really into fitness. I'm a professional actor, training actors. And then eventually Marvel comes out, right? All the new Captain America.
That's right. I also want to be like them.
So they do the features of like the Hollywood trainers. And I'm like, I train all these Broadway people. There's no Broadway trainer.
Right.
So that's going to be me.
In comes you.
So I start built for the stage. And the actors or athletes thing really is important to me because as a former athlete, I have extensive training. And like, there's actors that will be trainers, but there's not a lot of like deep-rooted athletic trainers who also
understand
know
the body
acting.
and understand.
Very true.
Like you see them on stage and they're belting out these performers. I'm going to come on this side of you.
All right.
Do you want us over here?
Let's
Talk
get
to
it.
us.
Let's get
Give
into
us
the
a
workouts because I'm nervous. I just want to rip the Band-Aid
All
off.
right, cool. So Brittany had me pick a couple of things. First, we'll just do
the hardest ones. I'm
sure.
We'll
do a deadlift. We're not holding anything, but it's important for people to know what the difference is between hinging and squatting.
Yes.
A lot of the times.
Demo for us.
Okay, cool. So first off, in a deadlift, you're going to be hip width stance. You're not going to be in a shoulder width stance like a squat.
Hip width.
Right. So first thing you're going to do is you're just going to unhinge your knees. Then we're just going to push our hips and our butt back with a proud chest.
Even just that feels good.
And then we're going to.
this is a nice
And then we're
stretch
going to
here
reach down just for the shins.
Oh, this is just even a nice stretch.
If we had weights or if we were picking up a prop off the stage, it's important that the weight or the prop is close to us. So many times people make the mistake of having it far away, which is going to round the back and
we don't
make us look like what we call mashed potatoes.
The deadlift helps you go and be in the room that it happens.
All right, we got about 90 seconds before we get the hard wraps, so let's go to number 2.
Number 2, it's a hollow rock. It's going to be on the floor. I won't.
Let's go.
You want to get on
Let's
the floor?
try it. Why not?
Okay,
I already know what this is, and I
So
don't
do
like it.
and I hate it.
We're gonna rock the boat, right? So you're gonna reach behind,
we gotta put the arms
and the
up.
smaller your back is gonna stay on the floor as you point your toes away. Okay.
I can't
next
speak.
thing we'll do is a shoot through.
Oh my God.
Let's do a shoot through.
What's a shoot?
Is anyone else's
one I
action?
don't know.
So it looks really cool, right? Really, you're gonna be the coolest anchors in New York. So separate a little bit if you can. If we're still on camera. Put your left foot by your left hand.
This is a good stretch. Isn't this the
Now pick up your left hand. And now put your.
Oh, this is like a whosie of the whatsy.
Yeah, keep your foot up.
Oh, shoot.
So now when you come back, let's do it again like faster. Whoa.
Wait, I already forgot which hand.
Left.
This works my
Left.
whole body.
Left
foot up,
foot.
Right foot through.
No. Or that.
This is gonna do a
There you go. That's